Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do another conch recipe for you. I'm doing a conch salad, so here we go. So this recipe includes a lot of chopping of the ingredients, right, the basic ingredients. So I'm starting here with about a small onion that I'm going to chop very finely, as you see I'm doing here. Use a knife that you're comfortable with, and of course it must be sharp. Be careful when you're cutting these ingredients very finely with the sharp knife. The next ingredient here, I'm using a green sweet pepper. I'm using half of it, and I'll go ahead and chop this up very finely. Next ingredient here, I'm cutting up a tomato, one tomato. This is about a medium-sized tomato. I'm not making a very large salad, it's a small amount. I just use about 2 pieces of conch. Well, conch, that the whole conch, right? I just use 2 of that to make this salad. I'll leave a link in the top right hand part of your screen for my video where I share how to clean the conch. Now on to the main ingredient. First, after I finish cleaning the conch and everything, I slice it up very thinly, and then proceed to chop it up as fine as I can, like you see I'm doing here. Now, before I forgot to mention that this conch is raw, right? It's raw. Yeah, and I found that when I had this salad, I didn't really taste, the texture wasn't a problem at all. It was nice, and you know, I really enjoyed it. Again, like I said before, the texture wasn't a problem. It was nice and soft, surprisingly. Now we are all done with chopping up all the ingredients, and they are in my mixing bowl here. I'm mixing everything together nicely, and then I'm going to season it. I'm going to add, this is about the juice of 1 lime, some salt, and we're just going to mix everything together, and that's it. Salad is all done. Conch salad is all done. Yeah, baby. Okay folks, here's the salad all done. It's really nice and easy to do, but it's just time consuming to cut up all the ingredients. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your support. Take care. Bye bye.